Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, N.P. Detailing. I know what you're thinking, why isn't there a car behind me, why aren't I in the unit? Reason is because of UK's in a lockdown. I've not been doing much, to be honest. But first of all, I'd say I hope you had a good Christmas and a happy new year to everyone out there watching the channel. Thanks for watching, by the way. It's been really great to see some new subscribers come on to the channel. I plan hoping to get the subscriptions up a lot more this year. I've hit 186 the last time I saw subscriptions. I want to thank everyone for subscribing to my channel. It means a lot to me, showing your support and what I do. I hope that you enjoy the content that I put on there. I am not claiming to be a super duper YouTuber or anything like that, or an expert at making videos. I'm learning as I go along, self-taught. So it's nothing, nobody's teaching me. I pick up tips from here and there, you know. That's all I can do. So hopefully my videos will get better, and in a bit I'll talk about how I'm trying to improve them. But if you haven't already, please do give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you get to know when my new videos are. My plan 21 is to try and get up to at least 500 subscribers. Now that's a massive milestone for me, and I know it's going to be a lot of hard work, but you know, let's see how it goes. If I make it, I make it. If I don't, I don't. So let's try it anyway. So today I'm going to talk about what I got planned for 2021, and I'm going to show you a little gadget, or should I say toy? I don't know, gadget. I don't think it's a toy. A bit expensive to be a toy, but I'll show you what I'm going to be using, and I'll talk about that in a sec. But plans for 21, loads more cars to do. I've noticed from the back end of last year, the cars started becoming more and more premium cars. Mercs, high-end Mercs. Obviously you saw the M8 back end of 2020. That was probably the most expensive car that I've done so far. Yeah, so loads of different cars in the pipeline. This year, 21, I'm looking to do a Maserati. I don't know if you saw last year, my customer with the old 1991 Mercedes 300 SL. He sold that car, part X'd it in actually, for a Maserati Gran Turismo. So that's gonna have a full respray. I mean, I can't believe the car is, engine wise, it's really nice. Interior is immaculate. When I mean immaculate, there's not a mark on that interior, and it's literally like brand new. It's a 2009 model as well. So for a 2009, it's very clean inside, but the exterior, the amount of scratches, stone chips and everything else, it's absolutely covered. So he's bought this car, really nice pearl dark blue color. He's taking it to my mate down there in Dental Alerts, Haas. He's going to be doing a full respray on this car, so that's going to take about 3 weeks. Take him about full 3 weeks. Once that's been sitting and the paint's all cured, he's going to bring it to me for after about 2 weeks or so, for me to do like the final sort of enhancing of the paintwork and sticking a ceramic coating on there. I can't put the ceramic straight away while the paint's fresh, because it's probably going to give off some solvents and stuff, and it's going to still be going off. Last thing I'm going to do is going to trap all that underneath the ceramic, and I don't want it causing issues with a freshly painted bodywork. So there's that. So yeah, got look forward to that. I've got a Jaguar F-Pace electric motor coming in a couple of weeks. That's for a paint correction and the 3-year ceramic coating. 6 Series, big shout to Koshik. 6 Series BMW 2013 plate, nice space grey colour. That's coming for paint correction, 3-year ceramic matrix coating on that. I've had a first inquiry for a motorcycle, nothing major, just rim tape. Chap wants rim tape doing, so no problem. I don't mind doing that. I can do that, not a problem. So yeah, channel wise, I'm trying to change a few bits and bobs on the look of the channel. You might have noticed I've done playlists for engine carbon cleans, engine bay details, interiors, exteriors, maintenance, washes and stuff like that. So I've changed that, changed the look of the header, logos a little bit, the same logo but a little bit different, made it a bit more sort of, I don't know, fresher, I suppose. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna show you something which I've just recently bought, little Christmas present to myself, I reckon. Something really good. I've tested it out already. I can't believe how awesome this bit of kit is, and I'll show you that now. Okay, here it is. This is what I bought myself. You're probably wondering what it is. It's a DJI Mavic 2 drone. Now I'm using the gimbal right now, the DJI gimbal, the mobile gimbal, and after using it I thought, oh wow, this is awesome. You know, it's really good for my videos. I'll open it up and I'll show you what it looks like. Now this is it, tiny little thing like this. Comes with a protection. You got the foldable drone Mavic 2, which is tiny. I mean, you can see the size of that. You know, it's got a awesome little gimbal on it. There you go. See, camera little there, camera gimbal. 4K as well. Don't know if you can see that. It's 4K. Now I've seen some reviews on this and I cannot believe how far this thing can fly for such a small little drone. I was quite shocked when I saw some of the other guys' videos. I'm completely new to this game, the drones and stuff, and flying them and everything about them. In terms of taking footage, the reason I got this is because, yeah, I'm quite interested to see what these things can do. From what I've seen from the videos, the range on this is 10 kilometers. Now I know UK law stops you from sending it 10 kilometers away or until you can't see it. You have to fly this thing, there's certain rules. You have to fly it within sight, so as long as you can see it, that's keeping it in sight, that's right. Because it's only 249 grams, I don't know if you can see that. This little guy has less restrictions, so I can actually fly this in residential areas, industrial areas, anything like that. I can fly it over unintentionally, unconnected people. So say if I'm, I don't know, 100 meters up in the air and there's someone walking down the street, that's not going to be a problem. Only place I can't fly is above crowds. Obviously if it comes down and hits someone in the head, I'm going to be in a lot of, you know, brown stuff. So yeah, so you get that. That is amazing. I flown it the other day and I thought, wow, this is amazing. It's so stable. I mean, when you let go of the controls, it literally just stays like that. Maybe slight movement like that because of the wind, but that's about it. With that you get, I bought the Fly More pack, which comes with 3 batteries. One's already in there. Battery pack charges there, and you got your controller. Amazing thing about this, the phone clips into there. It's able to charge the phone as well, and you got these little joysticks. They screw onto there like that. You got full control of the vehicle or aircraft. So yeah, so there's that. Now I can't wait to use this for my videos and when I'm doing the cars, to be honest. It's going to be awesome. How I'm going to do it, yeah, I don't know. It's a new thing for me, so I ain't got a clue. I'm not planned out anything how I'm going to film. I've got an idea sort of what I can do. Maybe pan out the shot on the side of the car, flying sideways over the car, over the roof, showing the top of the vehicle, maybe zooming out of the roof, going up a bit to show the panning out the top of the roof, and certain things like that. It'd be a different video. It'd be nice, you know. Maybe I can fly right up in the air and zoom, come right down onto the car and show the car. And there's loads of possibilities with this thing. This thing can go anywhere because of the size. It's tiny. It's quick when you need it to be, and it's quiet as well. So yeah, I can't wait to use it, and let's hope I don't lose it or crash it. So yeah, so that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be using this thing to do my videos, some of the videos anyway. Some of them I just use the gimbal that I'm using now for this video, and loads of cars in the pipeline. I don't know how this COVID stuff going on at the minute is going to be affecting my business. At the minute it's not too bad. I'm still getting inquiries, which I'm quite surprised about, but I'm really happy for that. At least it keeps me in the loop, and keeps me doing what I love doing. I might make a few changes to the website. I don't know, I'll see how it goes. I'm quite happy as it is, to be honest. Yeah, a friend of mine came up from London some time ago. He was looking to train him up, so that might be something I could go to training. Maybe basics on detailing. If someone wants to look into start up detailing, what kind of things you need, what kind of things, best way to start detailing, what's the best thing to use product wise. I can do things on that. If you want to start up detailing, I mean, like me, I was not taught by anyone. I literally started up, did my research, bought some products, tried different products, and I found the best ones that work for me and give the best results for what I needed to do anyway. So yeah, I can do little things like that. Training on polishing, maybe, you know, teaching polishing techniques. I'm not the expert, don't get me wrong. There's these guys at Rupes. Shout out to you guys out there in the US. You guys are veterans, you know exactly what you're doing. You know Rupes machines like the back of your hand. 24/7, that's what you guys are doing. So yeah, I mean, you know, there's only things that I know that I've self-taught that I can learn. I'm learning from other people all the time, and I think that's one of the key things in this as well. Learn from other people, take different skills on what you can learn from other people to better yourself as well. I think that's the best way to learn the trade, really. Start off with a small car, practice maybe your own, you know, and do that kind of thing. So that's a whole new thing I can probably go to this year in 2021. Let's see what cars I get. It'll be interesting to see what kind of cars I get, and bikes. Let's see summertime when the bikes start coming out. I normally get a few bikes here and there. I've been getting a lot of ceramic coatings. That's the in thing at the minute. There's a lot of ceramic coatings in the market, so you know, plenty to choose from. I stuck with Matrix, Auto Smart Matrix ceramic coating. Shout out to you guys out there. Martin out there, who's my Auto Smart rep, big shout out to him. In the Leicester area, he supplies me all my Auto Smart stuff. That's what I use. I think Their products are amazing, especially the ceramics, which I've just bought out and I'm accredited to use now. I've got a certificate for that, and allowed to use their products, so which I've been doing. I've done quite a few cars, and I think their products are amazing. Ceramic coatings are very easy to use, especially the 3-year coating. 3-year coating goes on like easy, so easy to put on, so easy to take off, and amazing results really quickly. So I think that's amazing. Watch out for more videos from me. Take care of yourselves. I know this pandemic's not going to go away anytime soon, and the new strains, I heard it's quite dangerous, very contagious. So please do keep yourself safe. Remember, hands, space and face. Make sure you wear that mask, make sure you wash your hands and that. I certainly will be doing that. And please do make sure you don't mix with people that you're not supposed to be mixing with, because you could end up with a hefty fine, and you don't want that. So thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you found this video interesting, and I hope to see you in 2021, which we are now in, with some more car videos, more detailing stuff, and hope to get this guy up in the air and show you some videos. So I might mix and match. I might do some videos of cars with this stuff, and it'll be interesting to see. So thanks for watching, guys. Take care, guys.
Perfect.